Douglas Brenner Shocks here in Southern California. I'm authorized Ohlins sales and service for both automotive and motorcycle. I think I'm the only one in the country authorized to do that, and I'm exclusively Ohlins. I don't work on anything else. I'm a shock tech, not a guru. I've done this for over 30 years, and also I know it's hard to believe because I am so young and handsome. I've been racing for over 50 years and doing shocks and putting them in my car and seeing in competitive on-track situations what I've done. I'm not sitting on the internet or just on YouTube. I call them on the internet jabberwankers, telling you what to do when they have no real experience with actual racing or with real competitive drivers. So be careful. I also know I'm not going to be an internet sensation, so I make my money selling and servicing Ohlins products. So give me a call if you need service or sales. You might as well buy it from somebody who actually knows inside and out the product and not a internet reseller. I'm as close as UPS, FedEx, etc. If you need service or bring them over. I'm in Southern California. I'm available 7 days a week to serve your needs. So give me a call if you need something, and I can compete with any price on Ohlins products. Any legitimate price you have, I can do the same or better, and you might as well buy it from somebody who knows the product. So let's see what we have this week. I've been getting a lot of questions on oil, and mostly the questions are, should I put higher or lower viscosity oil, and mostly forks, but I get a few with shocks, and the answer is no, you shouldn't do that. Use the oil that's specified. I'm only an Ohlins guy, so I can't tell you what to do with anything else. But if you have Ohlins inserts or Ohlins forks or Ohlins shocks, use the oil specified for that particular shock. You might change damping a little one way or the other, but it's not the correct way to do it. You need to do it with shims and maybe pistons, and I mean there's bleeds, there's all kinds of ways, and you probably don't have the tools or the knowledge to do it, maybe, although you could get it. But this oil, changing viscosity oil, is bogus in my opinion. I've been trying to figure out how to add this paper Ohlins did on Why Ohlins Oil, where they discuss what they do. So I finally just figured out I'm going to just post it, and you can stop the video when the pages come up and read it, and then restart and go to the next one. So this ought to answer all the questions, and if you want to continue to do that, go right ahead. What do I know? But my opinion is it's not the right way to do it. So here we go. Just stop your video and read it if you're interested. Okay, so there you go. Make your own decisions, but you can see that there's a lot more than viscosity involved in the correct oil. And remember, Ohlins in all forms of racing is the premier shock. MotoGP, for years, if you were winning in MotoGP, you were on Ohlins. So they know what they're doing. They're way ahead of the curve, but I'm just telling you what I know. So thanks again. Thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing. I'm always surprised when I see somebody wants to subscribe, but it's a lot of fun. And okay, I'll talk to you later. Thanks.